So we get here, guys. What actually happened? Even though, well, I tell you a story. I just was in the school and try to open Internet Explorer for fun, because he have in the computers still Windows 10, and in Windows 10 the last operating system will have Internet Explorer. So I run him and something weird happened. I just get this screen and there was that Internet Explorer are no more supported. And I say, what the f? And then I have an idea. What that actually mean? Well, I start my VM to try this. So I have now the VM like here and we start Internet Explorer. But now I run him with no network because that it don't update about here. So Internet Explorer like here, and yeah, we got this. Can reach the site. Okay, a normal Internet Explorer. But what happened when I turn the internet connection on? So I show you. This video is about, again, another day, what even happened with Windows 8. Because when I start the internet here, like here, wait. And now, if I refresh, so it could be a problem. And .com. That's interesting, but wait. So what happened if I stop the Internet Explorer like here? And yes, Microsoft Edge. God, wait. I'm surprised here Internet Explorer still work. Okay, let's see if I share something. It will. Hey, oh, I'm in Internet Explorer. Let's go. Oh wow! It's a ability actually to. That's a web thing. So, okay, I say yes. And what happened if I here start or share something like here? And yes, so what? Wait. Okay. I'm confused. So, okay, I think that it still works in the Explorer for now. But in the school it doesn't work. Okay, I mean that I have the oldest virtual machine. So yeah, okay, so the Internet Explorer aren't not ended like here. Good news, I have him still here. And yeah, but if you want like YouTube. Yes, okay. This, yes. Yes, I got it. Alright, so, yes. That's a problem. Okay. And then switch to Microsoft. Wait, what happened? Yes, this one. Yes, I got it. Okay, so not good news. Not actually good news. I have here. You're now browsing in Microsoft Edge. This website works better on Microsoft Edge. Microsoft requirements continuing in Microsoft Edge to experience better speed, performance and security. No, I don't want this. So yeah, okay, then it is not very good news. And we have this switch to no, I don't want. Hello, responding. And it was here a little bit setting here. Yes, this one. Hello art in Internet Explorer mode. So yes. Oh, open links in MSN. Oh god. No way. Okay. So if I go share, by the way, like Bing something, and go here and reload in Internet Explorer mode, it will think, the browser, that this is Internet Explorer, but it isn't. It is Microsoft Edge, but it will still make sure. And whatever you type here, so like hello world, it will okay. So that's interesting. But for her in the school PC, if I do that, the same thing. So it will jump automatically to Microsoft Edge. And bruh, I hate it. So I hate it. Better have Google Chrome like that. But yes. Okay. So thank you for watching r.i.p. Internet Explorer, and we see you guys later. Bye.